This is a froth off. Place your bets. Nobody asked for this, but we're gonna be comparing the Breville Milk Cafe and the Philips Baristina Milk Frother. In this froth off, we are gonna be putting these machines head to head, comparing their speed, milk texture, and their non-dairy consistency. Let's meet today's competitors. This is the Philips Baristina Milk Frother. What I really love in this frother is just, it's small and compact and really easy to use. It's got one button to operate it, a quick push for hot milk foam, a long push for cold foam. It's really easy to clean, and it pairs great with the Philips Baristina espresso machine. And this is the Breville Milk Cafe. This is a really awesome milk frother featuring adjustable frothing temperature from cold all the way up to really, really hot. It is large. It can froth over half a liter of milk in one given batch, which does bring it to its slight drawback of it's a big milk frother. This does feel like an appliance, but I think it's going to be a worthy competitor today. So for the first test today, we are going to be checking both the time and consistency using dairy milk. To keep things fair for both machines, we are going to be using their hot milk settings. So without further ado, let's get going here. Milk in. On your marks, get set, go. Really cooking now. It's exciting. Time! All right, now let's check out the texture and how this turned out. It's really, really thick. It's kind of got like a cappuccino foam quality. Awesome. So just taking a peek at it here, we've got about like a solid inch of foam. I love like the texture up here, although it does make for a difficult sippable drink. So that's gonna count against it a little bit. I'm gonna say we're gonna give 3 gold stars to our Baristina milk frother here. All right, now we're gonna do the same test, but with non-dairy, and today we're using oat milk. We're gonna be checking for the consistency, and the time's gonna be about the same, so we're not gonna be watching for that variable, but the texture, we wanna see how this turns out. Here we go. And there it goes. It's frothing right now. Perfect. And here we go. Great texture here. It's actually not uncommon for non-dairy milks to froth a little bit better. Steam wands, it goes the other way, but when we're using a frother like this texture is nice and rich. It's got a little bit less foam, but that's actually more what I'm looking for a latte. This is a really even foam distribution. This is big and airy versus this has that like nice density and a good wobble to it. Couple larger bubbles, totally fine though. I'm gonna give this 4.5 gold stars. Now it's time to test the Milk Cafe. Now to keep things fair for the Milk Cafe, we're gonna be doing about the same volume of milk. That way it doesn't have to heat up any extra milk. Perfect. On your marks, get set, go. We're frothing away. Stay tuned. Time. That's 2 minutes and 5 seconds for the Breville Milk Cafe. Let's check how the foam turned out. Very, very full, but well mixed. And plenty of froth left over as well. That's nice. Awesome. So this is still really thick, kind of cappuccino style foam. I would love this to like honestly pour my espresso over top before mixing it in, so that way we get a really frothy beverage. I'm gonna give this one a solid 3 stars. This is nice and I'm very happy with it. Time for some non-dairy milk. Here we go again. There it goes. Really thick, wonderful foam as well. Here we are. Beautiful. And again, lots of leftover foam. That's awesome. This oat milk is just frothing so nicely. Little bit thinner, so that's exactly what I'm looking for a latte. A couple larger bubbles, surprisingly. I'm gonna have to give this one 4 stars. I'm still really excited about this. It did a great job and it's definitely warm, but those larger bubbles are tricky. Ladies and gentlemen, the results are in. We're gonna give a big round of applause to our Baristina right here. After everything, this has been a friendly competition. I think that both of these frothers do a great job. If you're looking for a lot of milk, Milk Cafe may be the right one for you. If you're looking for a more cup-by-cup option, we've got an excellent frother right here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more fun coffee content like this, let us know. This is really fun for us to create and we love your suggestions.